Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve the hands-free Instagram story not available. So what you need to do is first make sure that your Instagram is already on the latest version. You can find out by going to the Google Play Store and then just find Instagram here. So if you don't see an update in here, so that means your Instagram is already on the latest version. And what you need to do next is just after you update the Instagram, just open your Instagram apps in here and then open the story camera. So I'm going to just click on the plus icon in here, and then here you can see there is no hands-free. So what you need to do to find the hands-free option is just click on the arrow down on the camera, and there will be this option hands-free. So just tap on that to use it, and you can use the hands-free feature now. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.